Hey guys, Joey from Clash Day Video Productions here. Just gonna make another quick video. By the way, I know this has been a bunch of just filler videos, but I'm gonna have a rail fan trip coming soon. I'm sorry it's been kind of slow, rail fanning wise, but anyway, I got my BF-F9 V2 Plus right here, and hold on a second, I think I might be on. Yes, I am. So I need to switch back to autofocus, and there we go. Alright, so here you go. I found a way to actually do a shortcut instead of going through all of the channels.
Channel mode.
Instead of just going like this.
Set 772.
I found a shortcut to get to the channel that you need quicker. So anyway, with that being said, here we go. By the way, I've got all 96 railroad channels in here, but I'll just go ahead and show you. So you hit 0, and then the channel number.
3 2 0 9 4 0 5 6 0 4 8 0 2 3 0 9 6 0 0 8 0 1 4 0 7 2.
So anyway, those are just a few examples. Like I said, I got all 96 railroad channels in here. And then if you want to go back to what I have as the weather channel, you just do this.
0 0 0.
And there you go.
0 7 2.
And for some reason, I get little to no reception on the weather channel when I'm in my room. I have to go into the kitchen to really get the best reception. I don't know why that is. It's kind of weird. But anyway, that's just a shortcut on how to get from a channel without having to hold this or this to scroll through. So if you just hit 0 and then the number, that's how you do it. But anyway, there you go. And I'll have some rail fan trips coming soon. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped out.